will. Haley needs a 15-minute break at some point to get ready for school in the morning. It's always better to better your learning and then continue on through learning and go back to school whenever you're able to. My good friend actually got his high school equivalency, and he's studying horticulture, or actually, I guess agriculture at the community college. Is a 2-year diploma towards his 4 year of horticulture at the local university, and he's doing really well for himself. He's got his high school diploma, and he's currently nailing his assignments and stuff. He's got like a 93 average. That's Ashton's little brother. He's doing really well for himself, and he quit a full time job at a mine with good insurance and good everything and good pay and good salary and benefits and stuff. He quit all that to go back to school and get his high school. So I'm really proud for him. Um, yeah, and I'm really proud for you too, there, Haley. To go back to school. It's good stuff. You only need a couple credits anyway.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
then I'm going to do early childhood studies.
Oh my gosh, that's good stuff. That'll be good employment for you.
Yeah. Everybody
Everybody,
always has babies, so.
everybody needs that stuff. Yeah, exactly. It's a constant thing. It's a constant thing, man. All right. So what we'll do in this third session is all this stuff. We're actually gonna write tests. Writing tests. Okay, that's what we'll do. So we're actually gonna look at one of these contracts that we started earlier today, which is this hamburger coin contract. It's a really simple contract. What we're going to do is we're going to write tests for each of these variables that we have, which is the Haley Bucks variables on our test RPC. So I don't really know how to do that. So what we need to do first, obviously, is create a test file. So we're going to call it hamburger.test, or JS rather. It'll be inside of this, what do I have, second token folder. Second token, test, hamburger.js, hamburger.js. Oh my gosh, Roonies, we have a file. So all I want to do is make sure these things are equal to each other, to what we expect to see. So I think we do that not with the Python test file, mind you. If I could hit the little X, that'd be great, man. So what we need in our test file is stuff like this. Just a sec. Working. So,
Hello.
what's that?
I just said hello.
Oh, hello. So we want a hamburger, which is going to be artifacts that require, what is this called? Hamburger coin. We actually needed a Haley coin though. We don't need this one. We need, I might need a hamburger. I don't know. Find out. Contract before each it. Contract before each it. Contract, we don't need a factory instance. We don't need the daily limit, and we don't need to require confirmations. Before each, we want, maybe we want a hamburger instance. We want a ham instance equal to a hamburger.new. And we want to make sure that that ham instance is okay. It. So what do we want to check here in our hamburger instance? Where's that hamburger file at? I'm going to move him all the way over to the right so we can access him easier. Come on, hamburger file. Let's go for a ride. There we go. So first thing we want to make sure is that the name is equal to Haley Bucks. It Haley Bucks is our first assertion that we're going to look for. How do you do that? Let's find out. Assert equal. Maybe it's a deep equal we need, or an okay we need. Well, let's find out. So we're going to do an assert equal. And I think what we want to make sure is equal. Come on, guys. I can't click on anything with this stupid mouse. So we want the ham instance, whoops, dot name to be equal to Haley bucks. And then we're going to test this and see if it works. So first I need to go into the right folder. So does that make sense? I'm going to make sure that the name is equal to the name that we gave it, right?
Yeah.
Node, or no, we want truff test. Truff test, truff test. I wonder if anybody's in our stream. Oh my gosh, we have people in our stream. Okay, so I broke stuff. Could not find artifacts for hamburger coin. So do I need to truff compile? Or what did I break? Could not require artifacts dot hamburger coin. So let's look at a different test then. Let's look at what did I break? Do you know what I broke?
No, I do not.
No. Could not find artifacts for truff test. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what broke here. Truffle test this. No, I don't know what's going on with this guy. He's got different things going on. Maybe I gotta come. I don't think I migrated using the local RPC for this stuff. Maybe that's the reason why it's not working. No, I definitely did because I already have those tokens. That's right. Hmm. Oh, I spelled it wrong, guys. Whoops. Hamburger. Hamburger. Let's try that. That's a stupid thing to get wrong. Hamburger is not defined. What did I break here? It's on what line of code is this on? Oh, I spelled hamburger wrong again. Jesus. Or not swearing, I guess. I spelled it wrong down here too. Jeez almighty. I don't know what's going on with my brain. Hey.
Um,
What's up?
Nothing.
Oh my gosh, it's doing stuff. So one of our tests failed. What failed about it? So it has the wrong contract here. Oh, that's because I'm using the wrong contract. Hamburger. Coin. Maybe that's just a logging feature. I don't know. We'll find out here. Expected function to equal Haley bucks. So I guess that's not a function. We're trying to access a variable. So let's look that up. Assert truffle test public variable. Let's just take public out of there. Hmm. Maybe it's because they didn't include a directive here that said name should be Haley Bucks. Who knows, man? Until we try it, man. No, expected function. So it's not a function. So I wonder how to get it to test a variable. Test a variable, man. No, this is broken. Medium is broken? That makes no sense. Basic testing with Truffle. Okay, that's not what I want. I want to test a variable, man. There's got to be a way, man. Okay, one of these other tests must do what I'm looking to do. Let's find out. Do you do what I'm looking to do? Test a contract variable. Truffle. Updating a contract variable and testing. We don't need to update, we just need to test. So we need a function inside of our, like a getter and setter function inside of our, so annoying. Function get name public. And then how do you work that? Return. So return name. So getter and setter functions allow us to, just a sec, to get and set variables within an instance of a smart contract, for instance. So now if I call the get name function using my test, it should return the name Haley Bucks using this test. Or I broke something. Compilation failed. Oh, I broke this right here. I need this. It's doing stuff. What did I break? Return name. Should say what it returned. So it should return string. This is just a solidity thing. I wish I could select stuff using my mouse. There we go. Public returns. Come on now. String. Return string, man. So the latest you have class is 4:30 our time?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
But on Mondays, I think Wednesday is the only day that I have classes until 4:30. Just 1 second, I can check.
So we still have an issue with our test. Why?
Wednesday and Thursday are the only days that they go to 4:30.
Gotcha.
Every other day I'm off at lunch.
Let's actually output the result of this function here into a console.log and see what happens. You get out at lunch every other day?
Yeah.
That's good. Well, we have significantly less viewers than we did throughout the day, so maybe we will call it quits at 11, or shortly before 11,
Okay.
and see if we can get more viewers during the day tomorrow. If you can only join for some of it, we'll figure out the fraction that you're here. It
Well,
never...
tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'm done at 2:30 because it's like only an orientation.
Gotcha.
I should be back in time tomorrow. And the next day. Then Wednesday I might be a little bit late, but
Oh, that's right. You should be back in time even if we start earlier.
oh yeah.
Think that's gonna work? Me adding the function shit to the function, like the little parentheses there. I don't know. I'm super tired though. I played paintball all yesterday.
How is that?
Good. We had fun.
Do you have bruises?
Oh yeah, all over my leg.
Yeah.
The green corns were there.
That's good. I haven't got to hang out with him since he was home. Are you talking about Matt or?
Both of them.
Okay, yeah. I'm friends with Travis more than Matt.
I'm friends with both of them, I guess, but I see Travis more often. I don't understand why this is not doing anything or why it's not telling me anything that I'm looking to see. It's not even giving me the console log I'm looking for. So
Would you have to go up into there and look for the console log, like at the beginning?
no, it doesn't have to be at the beginning. It should log, like if I do another console log that says like la la or ooh la la or whatever we did last time, it should just put it right in the code there right before it says assertion error. But for some reason I can't get the result out of this function that I created, which is good because this is exactly what we wanted. We wanted this to last longer than the last session. I wonder why it's compiling each time, but oh well. Oh, it didn't even say la la this time. Oh, it says la la up there. I wonder if that happened down here too. It's a promise. So what's going on here is that we have an asynchronous call that we're not letting evaluate itself. So I wonder if I can do this. Var name equals await him is instead get name. And then what we'll do is log the name. So what was happening is we were trying to call a function, but it needed time to interact with the blockchain, but we were trying to read it before it had an answer. So let's see if this works. I think it should. I think it should. I think we should see this passing now if this worked. No, we still saw it fail. So what did I break? It's not an actual await thing. It's something different that's specific to smart contracts. So it's something to do with how we do this await utils.getParam. No, let's just see if there's more awaits in here. No, I broke it by not including the parentheses, I think. Whoops, I broke it by not having my mouse in here. Let's try that. Let's try that, man. Aha! So it did something here. Why is it doing a transaction? That makes no sense. I don't understand why it's doing a transaction. The get name function should just give us the result. It shouldn't be doing anything, any logic. Okay. Get variable from Solidity. Hmm. I don't understand what we broke. So apparently it's a function even without this get name thing, just the variable. So let's try that. Now that we have the await call in there, it should work. Might work. Hmm. It passed. Look at that. Our test passed is equal to Haley bucks. We have success. So let's create some more tests here. What else do I want to do? We don't need the console log name anymore. Uh, we could actually just call this Haley bucks vars now, since we're going to do more than one var in this test. What else we got? HBX is our symbol. Our total supply is going to be initial supply. Okay. So we want symbol, which is going to be var symbol equals awaits ham instance dot symbol. Hope you don't mind your tokens called ham instance. So we should see one test and we should see it pass. now that we're testing all of the variables for what they should be. Very excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we only have 7 viewers, so we might call it quits here soon. 13 viewers, I guess. Thanks everybody for joining. Not as many as 40 or 50 that we had earlier. So it might be kind of useless to do the last stream at the hour that we proposed. We do have one passing test. Look at that. That's so beautiful. How long has this session been going? 26 minutes, basically. Well, I guess we can call it quits. We can do. Well, what'll happen then is since we're reorganizing the streams and putting the last one from today onto the beginning of tomorrow before the first stream, so that'll be before. What time do we start today again? 4 Eastern. So it'll be at 2 Eastern, which is 3 hour time. And you'll be here for that?
I should be, as long as my drive comes on time.
Well, I hope so.
I hope so too.
You should figure that out. You should get a bike.
That actually might work.
Yeah, might do really well, except for in the winter though, it would kind of suck.
Yeah. I get studded tires and a thick jacket.
Can you get studded tires for a bike? I didn't even know that.
You can. They're just really expensive. They're like $300 a tire.
Oh my god, a tire. There's two of them, I think. I don't know,
Yeah.
maybe four if it's
Caden's
vertical.
been looking at them.
What?
Caden's been looking at them.
Oh yeah. Well, he's got a nice bike though. I think I gave him money for that bike at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess that's good. We'll review the outcomes for this stream, which was to build tests using a contract that we didn't have tests for already, and test all the variable values. And we successfully did that. We have one passing test, as we can see here in our test file that's being run by Truff Test. And then yeah, so for the next stream tomorrow at this time, we'll just run it a little longer than the 2 hours so that we make up for this 40 minutes that we're missing now, 30 or 40 minutes. And then what we'll do is we'll reschedule the last stream, which was going to be building a payment decentralized application on Ethereum using Truffle framework. We're going to reschedule that for what did I just say? 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern tomorrow. And that's that, folks. So thanks everybody for joining us. Thanks everybody that's been here all day. And everybody, be give me a subscribe. Haley, say goodbye.
See ya.
Goodbye, everybody. Where's my camera at? It's over here, isn't it? Okay, see you, everybody. Bye.